Every agent faces the same problem. You need professional listing media to compete, but managing it yourself eats up your entire weekend. So you think, I'll hire a photographer. And now you're juggling schedules, chasing edits, and hoping for consistency. That's where agents working with Peak Abode Media take control. They close faster, they protect seller confidence, and they market listings with predictability. But let's pull back the curtain. Why do some listing photos capture attention while others quietly get skipped? The difference, it happens in the first 3 seconds. Buyers scan photos fast. Flat, dark, or shadowy photos disappear into the MLS background noise. We've all seen them. Dim kitchens where you lose the granite details, cramped living rooms with distant lighting, bedrooms that feel smaller because of poor lighting. Many agents try to fix this with HDR, but HDR creates overprocessed, artificial images buyers don't trust. It feels fake before they ever see the home. Flash-only photography? Same problem. Harsh shadows, stark white, zero warmth. The result? A property that feels uninviting before showing even happens. That's why we built Peak Abode Media on the flambient process. Flash plus ambient lighting blend with precision. We capture the full light range, balance exposure, and produce true-to-life colors. Kitchens feel open, wood tones stay accurate, light reads natural. Buyers don't feel like they're being sold, they feel like they're already inside. These aren't just better photos, they hold attention longer. They create more clicks, more showing requests, more conversations, and they outperform MLS averages across the board. But even perfect photos lose power when your timing slips. Here's where most agents quietly lose momentum. The media arrives late. Your listing launches with placeholder photos or phone snapshots. Meanwhile, competing listings hit MLS fully loaded. Those buyers move quickly. By the time your photos finally arrive, you're chasing attention that's already gone. Listing momentum dies when media delivery drags. Marketing launches get delayed. Social media posts feel forced. Sellers start wondering if you really had a plan, and you're explaining the problem instead of scheduling showings. Every delay causes trust, opportunity, and market positioning. That's why Peak Abode Media doesn't just deliver fast, we deliver predictably. Photos by 9 a.m. the next day, videos within 48 to 72 hours. Marketing kits allow you to launch to every channel on schedule every time. You plan open houses immediately after the shoots. Social campaigns drop while buyers' attention is the highest. Sellers experience smooth, professional execution at every step, while other agents are juggling missed deadlines. You launch with confidence, because when your media schedule is locked, your entire marketing systems run on time. Your media isn't just for your buyers. It's the first thing sellers see. Before they meet you, they've already seen how you present your listings. Every blurry photo, every poorly executed video becomes a part of how they evaluate you. That's why your media vendor isn't just a vendor. They're an extension of your brand. When photos arrive late, sellers question your process. When drone footage looks amateur, they question your standards. When listings hit MLS behind schedule, they question your preparation. You don't get a second chance to reset that perception. Consistent, polished media reflects your professionalism before a word is even spoken. The smartest agents already understand this. Their vendors support their reputation. Their systems remove headaches instead of creating new ones. We don't just shoot photos. We manage the entire media system. Our Getting Ready guide makes every shoot efficient. Our team shows up on time and ready, no drama. Every drone flight is Part 107 certified and fully insured. Branded video intros, licensed music, custom property sites, print-ready flyers, all delivered together. Polished, cohesive, on brand. No chasing multiple vendors. No coordinating moving parts. Everything arrives fully packaged and ready to deploy. Peak Abode Media protects your most valuable asset, sellers' confidence. We deliver consistent quality and complete brand alignment. You spend less time chasing vendors and more time focused on what drives your business. Professional listing media isn't a task you check off. It's a system that reinforces your reputation. Your schedule stays on track, your brand stays elevated. Schedule your next listing shoot at the link in the description. Charlotte agents, take full control of your listing media and never chase a delivery deadline again.